YouTube? HC Fly Kicks here. I'm Ted, as you saw in my first video. I'm here to show you what we're gonna do with this stuff. Rit Dye. It's supposed to make your souls. Well, I got royal blue, and you can mix it with sea glow, peroxide, or boiling water. And what you can do is mix this in a container, and it's going to put a bluish tint on your souls. So you can mix it with sea glow, and sea glow is going to make them icy. Then what this is going to do, this is going to make them a bluish tint. So like the Concords, they have a, no, not the Concords, Cool Grays have a bluish tint, the latest release. So go check them out, and they have a bluish tint. And what is that? And what's that supposed to do is not let it yellow as fast. It's supposed to prevent it for a little bit longer. But okay, yeah. And what I got black for is if I'm just tired of it and tired of it getting yellowed, I'll dye my souls black. And for like foams, I think it will look dope as hell. I saw a couple videos of people doing this. I think it looks dope. That's just my opinion. And yeah, subscribe, and we are going to have a tutorial on this stuff soon. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment, rate, and HT Fly Kicks. Peace out. I'm Ted.